G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. I recently had a request for a new recipe, so I thought I'd share it with you today. It's a really simple recipe. I haven't filmed it before. It's coconut butter. It's one ingredient. It's literally just shredded coconut. Now you might need to add a little bit of coconut oil just to get it blending a little bit better, all depending on how dry your shredded coconut is. We're just gonna take it as it comes and see what happens. Today I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. And you'll notice I'm using this handy accessory. This is the 1.4 litre wet blade container. It's my favorite size container to use. It's perfect for smaller recipes and it's gonna be well suited for making my coconut butter. So I've got my shredded coconut ready to go. So just about 2 to 3 cups is the perfect amount for this recipe. All my measurements are down the side of the container here. I'm gonna lock my lid into place. I'm gonna use the tamper. You need to use the tamper. This is designed to push the ingredients into the blade and keep it circulating. Okay, that's it. We are finished. I just had that running for about 1 minute on high speed. Look at that. How good does that look? We'll serve out some of that. So creamy. Okay, so this is my finished result. I've made about 1 cup of beautiful coconut butter. So 2 cups of the shredded coconut has turned into 1 cup of coconut butter. So this is fantastic. It has so many uses. You can just use it on toast if you like. I like to put it on my granola. You can use it in raw desserts. I hope you enjoy it. Happy blending.